Hello friends, my name is Simranjit Singh and today I am going to share very interesting concept of programming with you. Have you ever wondered how apps like Paytm provides you so many services under one roof? Like they provide you recharge mobile phone service, ticket booking of train and flights, even you can transfer amount from your account to another account directly. People these days love to use apps that give them many services at a single place. But just consider how complex it is technically for a programmer to implement. Let's take a small example of Paytm only. And I'm going to take an example of one of the services of Paytm, that is to recharge your mobile phone. So in order to recharge a phone, Paytm has to connect with multiple operators because there is not only one operator working in India. There are many operators available. So they need to give you a services so that you can recharge your mobile phone regardless it is on Jio, Airtel or Vodafone. So now consider that all of these operators have their code in different languages on different platforms. Take another example of transferring your money through Paytm to someone else's account. And suppose your account is in HDFC Bank and your friend account is on ICICI Bank. And you need to understand that both these banks, or if there's any other bank also involved, is not using same programming language or same platform. But even then, these apps make sure that your money gets transferred from one account to another account. So how it is possible for one service to connect with multiple services which are further might be connected with multiple services? So the answer of this question is that Paytm is able to do this with the help of API. So what is an API? An API is an application programming interface that helps you to connect your code with someone else's code. So let's suppose again, I want to create an app that allows my user to recharge their phones by entering their mobile number, right? So I want to give a service. So let's suppose I want to give a service to a customer that a customer can recharge their Airtel phone through my app. So that means I need to connect my app or my code with Airtel code. The thing to remember is I don't know how to recharge. Airtel knows how to recharge because it is their system. So I need a system through which I can connect my code with the Airtel code. So that is where API comes in. So API help you to connect your code with someone else's code. So the another question is, why company give you access of their code? Why they want that you can access their code? Well, the answer varies. The one reason is that companies want to increase their user base. As I said earlier also, people love to use app that provides them multiple services. So there's a great possibility that a user will not install an app that will only do the recharge, or the user will not install an app that provide only services of ticket booking, right? So people want an app that can give them many services, not a specific service. So companies know that user might not install their app for that only particular task. So they want them to connect with people who are providing them multiple services, right? Another reason is like government. Government want people, researchers, to research on a live data and provide real life solutions of problems that exist in the society economically or in any other way. So they give you their API so that through API you can access the data which is connected with government facilities. So these are the reasons why they provide you an API. Further, API can be free as well as paid, again depending upon what the company or government want you to do. Imagine what can you do as a programmer if you know how to implement a API. Here in an example, I'm showing you that how with the help of API and a Python language, I connected with an international space station which is in space and figure out how many scientists are working there, where this space station is right now, and when will it pass through Amritsar. So see how cool it is. Working with APIs in Python is very simple. Python provides you a facility which I already discussed in last videos also, that Python provides you a facility to write complex code in a minimum number of lines with very easy syntax. So learning APIs with Python can help you discover lot of opportunities working with layer projects, live projects, and creating a solutions to real life problems. I hope you understand this concept, and if you like this video, please do subscribe our channels and follow us on other social media channels. Thank you.